Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our English online class, students. And I hope you all are learning well, and even though you are practicing also. So children, we have finished the alphabet, capital, small, and we have written also together capital and small letters. So today, please, before I start the class, please take out the 4 lines books. You are sitting with the daily rough note book only. So today you take your 4-line books, English book. In that, today we'll practice how we should write cursive alphabets. Please take out your 4-line books. Please take out your 4-line books, everyone, and you have to start writing with me only how we have to write cursive capital letters, students. So I think everyone are ready with your 4-line books. We will start now, children. So see, now here we have to take from here second line, and then we should go upper line, and then we have to come like this, and then we should write capital A letters. Okay, children? Again we have to come like this, and then we have to write capital B like this. Okay, then we have to come with third line and come like this, then it will become capital C. Again we should come from here upper line, then go for third line, then come for like this and join the middle line. This is capital B. Then we have to come for second line, join first line, again middle of the line, and then end here in capital E. Then next F. We have to start from first line, come down for second line, and here in middle line F. Okay, children? Again now, I hope you all understand till here. Now just see how I am tracing here. Then we have to come for third line. We should start like this. Then we should touch upper line. Then we should go like this. Then we should come for second line. Then we should go, and then we should touch. So this is capital G. Then for H, we have to start like this from second line and for first line, and again here we have to take, then again from second line, and then H, capital H. Then here from second line, then we have to do it third line. Then again we should start from second line, come for first line, then we have to touch like this, and then this is capital G. Then again we have to come from second line, go for first line, again come for K like this, then like this, then capital cursive K. Then L, again we have to touch second line to upper line, then third line, L will be like this. Then here second line, M. Okay, children? I hope you all are understanding. Just you have to look after, and you should trace the same way. I hope you all are writing. So again we should come like this for N. Okay, children? Then again of the middle line, go like this, come like this, and then here P. Okay, children? then Q, okay, R, just see how I am tracing here, R, then S, then T, okay, then U, then V, then W, then X, then Y, then Z. Okay, so this way you have to learn cursive capital letters, students, and this one you have to write 5 times in your notebook. I hope you everyone will be practice neatly for this, because this is very compulsory, you have to learn. So please children, this is only your homework. 5 times you write in your 4-line book